Unusual fall wreath. I wonder what I'll do. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm happy to be participating in an unusual fall wreath challenge hosted by Kiki of Kiki DIYs. I love Kiki. She is so supportive, she's so funny, and she just cracks me up. I'll never get over the springy thingy. I can't say enough good about her channel, and her projects are a wonder. Her channel and the playlist will be listed in the description box down below. I highly recommend you check her out as well as all the others on the playlist. So if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. I've had this cinnamon broom for a couple of years, and it was just hanging over the door, you know, not really decorated or anything. So I went back and forth on what I was going to do with it, because the unusual part kind of had me stumped. But I got this inspiration. I wonder where I got it from. You'll see. I got this material at Walmart. It's one of the fat quarters that you can get there, and I love the kitty cats that were on it. So I just started cutting and seeing what I could do with it. I thought it would make a cute little apron for my broom. I kept cutting and sizing it and trying to get it to fit around the broom. And then I glued some lace trim to the bottom. I still didn't have a complete idea of what I was going to make. I kept running things through my head. I thought scarecrows. I thought pumpkins. I thought about just using things and just decorating the broom. But I don't know, this just came to me. It may have been my supervisor sitting in front of me. I don't know. But anyway, I started drawing a kitty cat head. I'm like, why can't I have a kitty cat broom? So I had used my black foam core board, and I drew out a kitty cat head. Once I got it drawn out, I cut it with my X-Acto knife. I got my Sharpie paint pen in black and went around the edges so it wouldn't have that white edge. Then I tried to draw out the kitty cat's features: eyes, nose, mouth, so on. I traced over the pencil marks with the Sharpie ink pen in silver. I thought that would make it jump out the best. For the eyes, I used just a tad of green paint just to kind of give the pupil part. And for the ears and the nose, I used just a peachy cream looking color. I was happy with how the face turned out. But then I realized it was missing something. Had to have whiskers. And now I'm back to the little apron, skirt, whatever you want to call this, because I had an idea where the head was going to be and all that, so I could continue working on it. So I just glued and clipped until I could get it to where it looked, where I was happy with it. And I added another little piece of lace at the top to give it the neckline. And while I'm gluing, let me tell you about my other channel, Susan Southern Cooking. I have very good recipes. If you like cooking and you like Southern food, I think you'll like it. Come check it out. Now I'm going to add my little kitty cat head to my broom. It took a lot of hot glue, and I had to go back and touch it up a little bit again with the glue, but I finally got it to stay. And now I wanted to give her some decoration. I had these cute little glittery pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to use them. I wasn't sure how I was going to use them. Didn't look right at the bottom, so I started decorating the top. And I just poked them in through with the broom straw and just started to add them. I had the little smaller ones, and I just kept adding till I was happy. And here I am fixing to add more glue because it had popped off. So I really loaded it down this time. So now I'm fixing to add in some fall leaves in with the pumpkins. I found some pretty florals that I thought would look good. It was fall colors and just small flowers, and I thought it would fit right in there with it and make it look pretty. I wanted to do something with the bottom of the broom. So I got these little pumpkins that I had gotten from Dollar Tree, and I thought they looked better than the glittery ones down at the bottom. And I just clipped them on the broom straw. And then I began adding leaves and little berries down to around the bottom also. I wanted to give my little kitty cat some jewelry, so I tried to figure out something. So I went back with the glittery little pumpkins. I clipped off the end and I gave her earrings. And I just glued them at the back so that they wouldn't fall out. And then I added one more for a brooch. I was feeling happy with the way it looked. And here's my finished project. Isn't she the cutest thing? I really love her. My supervisor was a good influence on me. She was a great inspiration. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you hadn't. Comment. Tell me what you think about my cute little kitty cat. Thank you, Kiki, for hosting this challenge. I really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.